Hey, what's going on? It's your favorite duo, Micah and Gigi, or Gennette Diggs, and we're gonna be making some, what was it, macarons? Macarons. It's gonna be awesome, but we'll get back to you when we're in the kitchen.
Heat it. Yeah, here you go.
Had to capture this.
That's what the fake
This pan heats.
If you want a little bit of crusty eggs, don't grease your pan. Grease, baby. Grease, baby. Sticky. Okay. Now let's try this because get some parchment paper.
There we go. Try it. No, wet your hands. You gotta do it the way she did. Roll it. Roll it. Come on. Hey, look at that.
Whoa.
Whoa, you just dropped it like that. This was wet your hand, Mom. I watched that video.
But what? You got bloopers.
Yeah.
Bloopers. Look like a monster. Like monster. Monster. Make them small.
Here we go.
If it's too big, I like them small. So control. All right, it's time to put these baby on the pan. Brenna. Hit right there. So.
Ooh, what's that?
Monster.
What is that?
Monster.
Oh Lord, that one's a combination of the both. Almond and sugar. Woo! Look at that shot.
Yeah.
What's on that? Yeah.
15.
Oh no, it's a long time.
Whoa, look at that.
Ooh.
Not too hard.
Yeah, we can try both. I'm excited.
I am
Look
so
at that little
excited.
jewelry on your wrist. Hey, so we got our macarons.
We're gonna try it now.
So I got the one without almond.
And I have the one with almonds.
Cheers!
Cheers! Woo! Chewy inside.
I think the texture there is perfect. That's exactly how they described it. But thank you for checking us out, and we'll post some more footage of the cookies. See ya! Hey guys, if you enjoyed what you just watched, please let us know in the comments and we'll try to make some more of those, all right? Take care.